Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, we are going to discuss about that how you can delete the temporary files from your PC. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to press the window R here, and after pressing the window R here, you have to write the something I'm going to write. So as you can see now, you have to write the temp. You have to write this percentage, and after writing this percentage, you have to write the temp here, and then again you have to write this percentage. As you can see, in this way you have to press the window R button, and after pressing the window R button, you have to open the dialog box like this. So as you can see, I have written this command. So in the same way, you have to also write this command. And after writing this command, simply you have to press the OK. And after pressing on the OK, as you can see, these all files are open here. As you can see, these all files are temporary files. And we can say they all are the unusual files. If you want to see the size of these files, you can also do that. So first of all, we have to select all. So first of all, we have to select all. And now you have to press the shortcut key Control A. So we have to select it again. And now we have to right click on this, and after right clicking on the mouse, now we have to click on the show more option if you are using a Windows 11. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, here's the option for the properties. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on the properties, we will be able to see all the details regarding this. As you can see now, this is the size of temporary files. So basically, this is the size of the temporary files. Now, if you want to delete them, you can also do that. If you want to add some attributes like read only or hidden, you can also do that. In the custom section, you will also see some other details as well. So as you can see, and this way you can do that. So if you want to see the size of these all temporary files, so this is the size of like 546 MB size on the disk and 619 MB. So in this way you can check the size of all your temporary files. So if you want to delete them, you can also do that. Simply you have to press the If you want to delete it, you can also do that. Simply you have to press the delete button and all files will be deleted. If you want to delete it with the mouse, you can also do that. Simply you have to right click on this. As you can see, here's the option, here's the icon. You have to simply click on this, or if you want to use another option, you can also do that. As you can see here, you will see the option for the delete. You have to click on this and it will be automatically deleted. So let's delete this one. So I'm going to press on the delete. So let's press on the delete. We have to select this all, and now we have to press the delete, and these all files will be deleted. So as you can see, these are all are deleted. So as you can see, it's asking for the permission, so we have to click on the continue, and now these all will be deleted. So as you can see, these all files are almost going to delete. So I'm going to cancel this, or we can skip this file as well. So as you can see, let's skip this again. These are some necessary files, so we can't delete them. So in this way you can do that. So let's skip these files. So as you can see, in this way you can delete your temporary files. They make your PC slower, and after deleting these files, your PC will run smoothly. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can delete the temporary files on your PC and make your PC work faster. So see you guys in the next video.